So what's going on, traders? I wanted to make a video just teaching you how to day trade penny stocks and go over some of the um, basics here. Just the basics on learning to day trade penny stocks. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a broker. If you don't know what a broker is somebody that transfers money from you. Your money goes from you to the broker to the market. So you need a way to transfer money from yourself to the market, and that's where a broker comes into play. So some of the brokers that you can use for day trading penny stocks is right here. You got TD Ameritrade, CMEG, Speed Trader, Trade Zero, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, E-Trade, Lightspeed, and the one that I would recommend that I use is Trade Zero. They have one of the best shorts, and it's if you're not shorting, it's $0 to buy and $0 to sell. Charting, I use TD Ameritrade, and that's who I would definitely recommend starting out, because before you put your real hard money into the market, you're going to want to paper trade. And with TD Ameritrade, you can paper trade all day long and it's free. But the only thing is you can't short penny stocks with TD Ameritrade, but you can learn just a basic concept of day trading. You know, getting in, getting out, support, resistance, so on and so forth. But Interactive Brokers, Trade Zero, Sure Trader, CMEG, Speed Trader, E-Trade, them are probably going to be your top ones for shorting stocks. And that's my style of trading, is shorting. Robinhood, that's another platform. They're free. You can also use them if you want. But like I say, I'd recommend if you've never traded a stock in your entire life, I'd probably go with TD Ameritrade. Just set up a paper account and use those guys for your foundation, just to learn the basics of day trading. You don't want to put your hard-earned money into something that you just don't want to lose your money until you know what you're doing. So the basics of day trading is, if you're shorting a stock, that means you're betting on the stock to go down. If you're long in a stock, you're betting on the stock to go up. So with day trading, finding the basics is you gotta test the waters and determine what you feel most comfortable at: shorting, swing trading, day trading. There's forex, there's futures. You know, that gets more complicated, but just the basics of day trading. Penny stocks, like right here, you know, like I'll go to 5 minute. So, like you can see up here, this 886 level, how the stock touches once up here and once here, once here, once here, once here. That's called resistance. That means the stock cannot break past this point because there's a strong resistance holding it down. Now on the other opposite end, you look down here at a 515 level, and that's a strong support. A support means that's where all the buyers are at. It means when the stock comes down to this 515 level, that's where people buy the stock. So if you want to buy the stock, the best place to buy it is 515. If you want to short sell the stock, the best place to short sell is 886. And short selling means you're betting on the price to go down. That's kind of the basics of trading. I mean, it gets a lot more difficult than that, but I just want to put a video out there just to a person that's never ever day traded before, to get them some kind of information out there on, like, what's a what's the best brokers use for day trading, how to get into day trading, how to start learning to day trade. Um, yeah, just the very basics. And like I say, you want to paper trade with TD Ameritrade. That's who I'd recommend. This platform I'm using right here is TD Ameritrade. Like I say, you just open an account with them. You go into um, paper money, and you can trade all day long. You're 20 minutes behind the market, but for learning, that's all you need. You just need to learn how the basics of day trading. So right here is TD Ameritrade. And like I say, these guys will probably be the best platform to use because it's a free platform for learning to day trade. And then once you get your concept of day trading, if you like to day trade penny stocks like I do, or if you want to do swing trading, any kind of trading that you fall into, that's when you can venture out to any of these other brokers and find out the best broker that works best for you. And then you just stick with them and start day trading. So, until the next video, peace.